Hello everyone, today is another Disney vlog and I'm pumped. Today I've got my mom, my dad, and my aunt, and we're all going. We're leaving now. It is hot. I'm trying to get everyone to go. I'm driving once again. I'm ready to get out of here because it's hot. No one seems to get that but me. But yeah, we're heading out. Today I'm wearing a different shirt, but it's still gray because I love my grays. This one says, I'm one with the Force. Whew. The Force is with me. This one is a shirt by Beyond the Gift Shop. Their Instagram is Beyond the Gift Shop, and then their Disney picture kind of Instagram is Journey with Jacia, and it's run by Jason and Thea, and they're a lovely couple, and they're really nice and they're really sweet, and they take really amazing pictures, and their editing and stuff is just, it's insane. It's insane. I can't like rave about it enough. It's really, really, really good. So you should check them out. Check out their shop because they've got loads more of cool shirts, which I may have to peruse because I really like the other shirts that they have, and I think that they're really innovative too. They're really nice, nicely done. Today I'm heading up to the parks with my family, and we're gonna ride some rides. I'm trying to convince my dad to go on Guardians of the Galaxy, and I'm trying to convince my mom to go back on it, because I think it's just like a really fun ride, and my aunt has never been on it before, and so it's just me and my mom have been on it. So I'm really, really, really trying to convince the other two to get on it. So my aunt's down to go for it. She loves rides, but my dad does not like the free falling thing. He hates that. So we'll see. It's a little bit later in the day. It's around like 12:30, so hopefully we're able to get either fast. But that's what the mission is for today. That's what we're trying to do, trying to get done, is get on Guardians for sure, and then just enjoy the rest of the day. Don't know where my family is. They all went in to get water, and they have not come back out yet, so I'm waiting for them, and then we can head on out. Guess who's back? Are you live? Good.
Are you videoing?
No, you're about to get kicked out. Listen, why is the ceiling so high?
Oh, I know.
Oh my gosh, ceiling low.
If you're here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure.
We made it inside the park. Okay, so first order of agenda is Guardians of the Galaxy. Hopefully. I saw it was 90-minute wait for it, and there's no fast passes available.
None.
Okay, so slight change of plans. Just a little bit of change of plans. Guardians was 90. It was 90. It's 90 minutes. And so I was like, okay, well 90 is not that bad because it tends to go by a little bit faster. But there were two separate lines before you could even get into the actual line. So that was a no. We're heading to Soarin' to meet up with my parents because they didn't want to ride Guardians because they suck.
Carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little booties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal.
We did single rider and got split up, so I'm just waiting for everybody else. Did you guys win? Did you win?
No.
Did you win? Yeah.
Mine was blue.
Did you win? Oh, I won. Where's Mom? Mom's the last one out. So we got off cars. Me and Mom's car won, but Dad and Aunt's didn't.
We did not win.
Losers.
I did not win.
But our car was cool though. Our
But we're
car was
all
cool.
winners at Disneyland.
Yeah, what color
We're
car?
all winners.
Alright, now we're in line for the Little Mermaid
If you didn't get the
by
trophy
default.
or the money, we're not all winners.
It began with kids writing an old man and Ursula talking to her little boy, and whoa, this story's getting away from me. Gotta slow down, getting ahead of myself. This
So now we're heading over to Disneyland to do some classic stuff because she hasn't been all year. Has a pass, hasn't been all year, but we're doing that. We just finished eating at the Plaza Inn. I am full. How are you?
Yes, I am. I'm good. I'm not
I was
full.
like, wait, what did you just? Okay, so we're heading over to California Adventure. I love her bag. That's really cute.
Oh, that looks like a lunch bag.
That's really cute. But we're heading to do Guardians and hopefully Screamin'. We've split up because Dad wants a Coke because it's cold and he didn't bring his like I did. We're gonna do a couple of rides in California that they don't really want to do, and then we're gonna go from there.
Hopefully we can get them done.
Yeah. Screamin's 25 and Guardians is 75. But hopefully we get through Guardians pretty fast, like when me and Mom went and they were just like party of two. It was like, me! So hopefully that kind of situation happens again.
Yeah.
So, change of plans number 7 for today. Everything is kind of closing for World of Color, so there's no way to ride Screamin' or the swings. Midway Mania is 60 minutes, plus we're missing my mom who actually wants to ride it. Guardians still a little bit too long. That may be a different day
Yeah.
and a different time.
Yeah.
We're heading back to Disney to meet up with my parents. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so.
All come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here you may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America. With the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
We decided to watch fireworks over by Small World, which I highly recommend because the Small World castle actually lights up and it like goes with the music, and it's like there's fireworks in front of it and there's fireworks where the castle is. So I highly recommend doing the fireworks over here if you can't make it to the castle. It's just as good.